the same old things again. And yes, I've heard that interest rates are on the rise. Up at 7 o'clock this morning, going to a job that bores me, saving for a holiday of a lifetime. There's more to life than rush hour fumes on Monday morning.